salute and everything. Flip,
Yeah.
I want to thank you for coming here today
Yes.
and interview my captain, Captain
sir.
TAZARYACH. Now, I learned something today about you that I wasn't aware of. I thought you were from the tribe of Judah, meaning a black American, right?
Okay.
But I find out today that you have Haitian ancestry.
I do, yes.
So your father is
My
Haitian?
mother's Haitian, my father's Jamaican.
Your mother is Haitian, right?
Yeah.
So I'm Haitian myself, right?
I see that.
Now, you see that?
Yeah.
So now, the question that I have for you is, what do you know about the Haitian people? What do you know about Haitian history, right? And also today, because the Haitian people are going through a lot of atrocities, like the rest of our people, but specifically I want to focus on the Haitian, right? Because I find out you're Haitian.
Yeah.
What is your message for the Haitian people?
Okay,
You can first start with your history, your knowledge of the Haitian people, and give them a message.
And this is why, and I'm gonna be honest. This is why we had to start over, because you try to put me in a trick bag. My knowledge is very minute when it comes to my people, and my family is on my ass about that. Okay. I know we're the first people to gain our freedom, and you know the typical things, 1804 that I know. But I can speak about how powerful the Haitian people are. Thank you, bro. Take care. I can speak on how powerful that we are, how resilient, how no matter if our back is against the wall, how we can overcome anything. You can put a Haitian person anywhere, they're gonna grind, they're gonna hustle, and they're gonna get through it. You know what I'm saying? We were taken advantage of. A lot of our resources was taken from us, and which put the country where it's at today. But still, the people fight. The people have smiles on their faces, and that's what I can say. So my message to the people is, I have to do more history and research, but my message to the people is to be strong, to stand strong, to never give up, and to remember we are who we are, and no matter how dark things may look, you know what I'm saying? Don't let it black out your lights, even if it looks dark. You find a light somewhere. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel. And that's what I gotta say about that. I love Haiti, I love my Haitian people. I do wanna learn more. I do need to learn more. As I said, my family get on me every day. And I plan on going to Haiti, man. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Man, you let me know, because I do teach about Haitian history.
Please do.
You know, under commanding General Yohana, so you can learn about Haitian history. And I do not want to ignore your Jamaican side of the family, because in the ISUPK, we teach that Haitian and Jamaicans are one family. Now, do you believe that?
I do.
You believe that we are one family?
I do.
Most High in Christ. So that's what we teach. And the Jamaican people and the Haitian people, we are strong people. And like you said, right? And we'll leave you with this. This is Quinn's Flip, right? Do not let anybody block out your lights. You have to shine. We have to shine as a people.
Always at the end of the tunnel.
Right? And Jamaicans and Haitian, we got to gather together. All right, Quinn's Flip, let them know where they can find you, brother.
YouTube.com/QueensFlip, Instagram.com/QueensFlip with a Z.
All right, we appreciate you.
I appreciate it.
We appreciate you. Nous apprécions Quinn's Flip. Maman Quinn's Flip, c'est Haïtien que lié. Alors, pour moun qui connaît Quinn's Flip, ou pas connaître ça, Quinn's Flip est Haïtien. Vous comprenez, dans la famille. Maman c'est Haïtien, papa c'est Jamaïcain, et nous tous, nous c'est famille. We are all family.
That's right.
ISUPK.com, under commanding General Yohana.
Hey, yo.
Shalom.
Can I get some? Can I get some rice and beans with some stewed chicken?
I gave you some black rice.
That's black rice, but I want rice. I'm gonna eat that. Yes, I'm bringing that home. but I'm a simple eater. Okay. I want rice and beans with stewed chicken, or some legume. I don't want the legume. I only want the beef in it. Pause. And no seafood. So can you make that happen?
I can make that happen.
Flavors, man. Please,
just hit me up.
I got you, man.
Just hit me up, and I'll make sure you get that good food.
I'm coming to the family. I'm coming to the house.
Yeah. Matter of fact, right? I'm gonna invite you now. I'm sure Captain TAZARYACH is gonna invite you.
Okay.
We hold our annual cookout right down the block.
Okay.
At Marcus Garvey Park every year.
Okay.
It's typically between the last week of August or the first week of September.
Okay.
It's around that window.
Okay.
You know, so we have our annual cookout where all blacks, Hispanics, and Native Indians are invited. If you come, you're gonna get all the Haitian food that you cannot handle.
I don't want to wait till all that. I don't want to wait that long. I'll come. I don't want to wait that long, yo.
Hit me up.
Come on, man. I want some Haitian food, bro. I'm Haitian, but he's gonna invite me. I will pull up.
No doubt.
Cool. I appreciate y'all.
Thank you for watching.